Welcome to Knowledge Quest. My name is Miss Yvette, and today I'm going to answer your question, how do I make my own lava lamp? Well, if you've ever seen a lava lamp, you know that it has beautiful colors. And there's a book that I would actually like to share with you. It's called Sky Color. Today, we're going to be reading Sky Color. It's by Peter H. Reynolds. Marisol was an artist. She loved to draw and paint, and she even had her very own art gallery. Not all her art hung in a gallery. Much of it she shared with the world. She painted posters to share ideas she believed in. At school, Marisol was famous for her creative clothes, her box of art supplies, and her belief that everybody was an artist. Yes, Marisol was an artist through and through. So when her teacher told the class they were going to paint a mural for the library, Marisol couldn't wait to begin. The classroom buzzed with the sound of brainstorming. The students talked and sketched. Together, they made a great big drawing. Then they marched to the library. I'll paint a fish. I'll paint one too. I'll paint the ocean. Marisol shouted, I'll paint the sky. Marisol rummaged through the box of paint, but could not find any blue. How am I going to make the sky without blue paint? The bell rang. It was time to put their brushes down for the day. As she climbed aboard the bus, Marisol kept wondering. All the way home, she stared out the window. The sun lowered closer to the horizon. Later at home, Marisol watched day turn into night. That night, Marisol settled into a deep dream. She drifted through a sky swirling with colors. The colors mixed, making too many to count. In the morning, Marisol stood waiting for the bus in the rain. The sky was not blue. She smiled. At school, Marisol raced to the library. She grabbed a dish and began adding colors. This one, that one. She swirled the brush to make an altogether new color. Marisol then began painting on the wall. A boy asked, "What color is that?" "That," Marisol said, "that is sky color." The end. That was a beautiful book, and at the end there we saw how Marisol made a mural just filled with beautiful colors. She got creative. I think we should get creative too. Let's learn how to make your own lava lamp. Here's how it's done. enjoyed watching that. I sure did. Here is the science behind it. We took water and oil and we poured that into one glass. And the oil stayed on top while the water stayed on the bottom. That's because water is heavier than oil. Next, we took some food coloring, added a few drops of that, and did you notice that it only changed the color of the water, but not the oil? Well, that's because food coloring and water, they're both polar molecules, while the oil, that's a non-polar molecule, so they don't mix. Scientists call that immiscible. Last, we took an effervescent tablet. I used Alka-Seltzer, and when you put that in, it started making bubbles with the water. It made little carbon dioxide bubbles, just some gas that was rising to the top. Once it reached the top, it popped. And do you remember water's heavier, so it sank back to the bottom. And then it just continued its cycle until the tablets ran out. Have fun making your own colorful lava lamps at home. Thank you for joining us on this knowledge quest. See you on our next adventure.